set up a Facebook page for people that are interested, and then I will announce on the Facebook page that the beginning week of next semester, those people that want to play have to come in and hand in their ID cards, get their water pistol, and the $5 to start the game off. So we'll announce that on there, but you'll be able to join in so we can get interest for the game on Facebook over the next couple of weeks.
Maybe reset it?
Also.
Alright, now we've got a few pieces here. There's not a lot, so...
I don't know.
Feel free to
lock that one back.
If you're hungry.
Yep.
No, they're over here. You've got to
that and then pull it out.
they're out there.
That's awesome.